If you are watching this, it means you are considering moving from clarity to execution. Studio Pro is not more content. It is a structured build program. Let's be honest, most people today are subscribed to something they never finish. Online courses, productivity platform, skill programs, they watch, they pause, they move on. Not because they lack intelligence, because structure is missing. Studio Pro is built to solve that exact pattern. You will not unlock everything at once. Each phase builds on the previous. You complete, you submit, you unlock the next step. This protects you from binge consumption, and it protects the integrity of your build. If this were delivered as private consulting, it would look like this. 101 positioning, consultation, $300. Profile, audit and feedback, $200. Systems architecture blueprint, $300. AI workflow structuring, $300. Offer mapping session, also $300. Combined, that exceeds $1,000 in consulting value. Studio Pro provides structured versions of all of that for $99 per month. Self-paced, template-driven, milestone-based. No live coaching dependency, no upsell pressure inside the program. You are paying for structure, not time. Now, why monthly? Because execution requires pacing. If everything were unlocked permanently in one payment, most people would rush and never finish. Monthly structure creates commitment. No urgency, commitment. If you are looking for quick hacks, fast monetization promises, motivational energy, this is not for you. If you are ready to build something properly, calmly, with structure, then Studio Pro is the next step. Inside, before the first phase, you will go through an execution calibration, because tools don't build businesses. Identity does. I'll see you inside.